How to enable data warning on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set a limit so your device alerts you before you use too much mobile data. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Connections. After that, tap Data Usage. At this point, tap Billing Cycle and Data Warning at the top of the screen. From here, you'll see a toggle labeled Data Warning. Turn that on to enable it. Following this, tap the data warning field that appears underneath it and type in the amount of data you want to be warned at, like 5 gigabytes or whatever fits your plan. After that, tap Set to confirm the amount, and your device will now send you a notification whenever your data usage reaches that threshold during the billing cycle. From here, you can also set a hard data limit just below that section by toggling on Data Limit and entering a cap. Once you hit that amount, your device will automatically cut off mobile data so you don't go over your plan. Finally, make sure your billing cycle start date is set correctly at the top of that same page so your data resets on the right date each month. That's how you enable data warning on Android. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.